Here we are in section 2.2 exercises part A with numbers 22 through with numbers 12 through 23. Evaluate the following. Number 12. For this is the new way of doing multiplication. That's important. So this is 4 times 3 minus 8, and this is multiplication, putting numbers next to each other with parentheses separating to show that it's not 89. So this is 4 times 3 is 12 minus 72. 12 subtract 72 is negative 60. If you need to use a calculator, that's fine, or if you can see it, it's going to be 72 minus 12, but the stronger one, 72 in the negative direction, will win. Let's check our answer. Check negative 60 for number 12. Number 13, 5 times d, whatever d is, I don't know, that's a variable. 5 times d times 7 times p. I know 5 times 7, I could do that one as 35 times d times p, and I can put those next to each other because they're letters next to numbers and there's no confusion that that is multiplication. Let's double check our answer. There we have 35 dp. Number 14, 5 times 3 minus 9 in parentheses, so that's 5 times a negative 6, minus, get the exponents taken care of in order of operations, 8 times 5 plus 4 in parentheses is 9. So this is negative 30 minus 72. So again, do the two multiplications separately first. Negative 30 minus 72, those are both in the negative direction, so we will be adding them to get 102. Excellent. Let's double check our answer. And we get negative 102. Great. Number 15, 45 times 7.8. I'm going to pull out my calculator for that one. 45 times 7.8. I'll make it a little bit quicker, 351. Let's double check our answer. And we get 351 right there. Number 16, 3 times 7 times m times 2. I don't know what m is yet, some number that I don't know, but I can do 3 times 7 times 2, which gives us 21 times 2 is 42 times m, and I can just put them right next to each other because there's no confusion there. 42m. Great. Number 17, 2 times 3 squared, so this is 2 times 9, which is 18, plus 5 times 4. This multiplication happens before we can add anything, so that's a 20. And this is plus 8 times m. Now, by order of operations, that 8 times the m has to happen first before you can add it to anything. So it's kind of glued together. And since we don't know what m is, that 8 is stuck. She can't be added to anything out there. So 18 plus 20 is 38 plus 8m, and until we know what m is, that's as far as we can go. Let's check that answer. Yep, 38 plus 8m, or if you had written 8m plus 38, that is also okay. It says find the perimeter of the following shapes. Perimeter, peri, means around, and meter means measure. So we're finding the measure around these shapes. So let's start right here. And we go up 11 plus 17. Good, that's 28. Plus 19. So we're up at 47. Plus 8 is 55. Plus, so we've got a 55 here. Plus t plus 3. Well, I don't know what the t is, but I can put those others together and have a 58 plus t, or I could have a t plus a 58. That's all I can do there. Let's double check our answer and make sure that we're correct. 58 plus t, or you could write t plus 58. Excellent. Number 19. Here we have a shape that's a big long triangle, so we have start at one point and go 19 plus 14. That's 33. 33 plus k, whatever k is, minus 12. 33 plus this k minus 12. Well, I don't know what k is, but 33 minus 12 I can do and get 21 plus whatever the k is. Or I could do k plus 21. Either way would be okay. And there we have it. Number 20. Let's add these up. Let's start somewhere a little bit different. I don't know, we could start right here. Add 5 plus 15, that's 20, plus 9 is 29, plus 13 is 42, and plus the r. I don't know what the r is, so we should get 42 plus r, or we could write it as the r plus the 42. Let's check our answer and make sure that's right. That's it. You can just write it down that way. Great. Let's move on to number 21. Evaluate the following when m equals 3. Oh, this is good. They're telling us now what these letters are, so we can actually find out what they are. So m equals 3. Let's look at 21. 3t, now that's multiplication. 3 times t minus 7. Now we know what t is now, so let's stick t right in there. So this is 3 times 15, that's the t, minus 7. 45 minus 7 is 38. Let's check the answer for number 21. 38. Good. Number 22. This is 2 times n plus 9. But what was n? Let's use a different color for this problem. N is 7, so we're going to stick a 7 right in there. So it's actually 2 parentheses. Now it's next to these numbers, so that's addition. 2 times 7 plus 9. We do parentheses first. We get 7 plus 9 is 16, so we get 2 times 16 is 32. Let's check our answer on that one. There we go. Good. Number 23. 3 times 28 divided by a plus m to the second power. Now here, let's find the numbers that we have. A is 4, so we're going to stick 4 in where a is. So let's put a 4 under there. And we're going to take 3 and stick it in right there. There we go. So this is 3 times 28 divided by 4. 28 divided by 4 is 7, so we have 3 times 7 plus 3 squared, or 3 to the second power, which is 9. That's 21 plus 9, and 21 plus 9 is 30. Let's check our answer. 23 is 30. Good!